Hi all, welcome to Morales Finance Channel. So continuation to mutual fund, second category we will discuss in this video. First of all, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel so that you will get notifications immediately. We will discuss second category, debt mutual funds. So in debt mutual funds, these mutual funds are especially the money completely invest in security bonds, like government bonds and corporate bonds. These bonds you will get stable returns with less risk when compared with equity small cap funds. So happily you can invest your money in this debt mutual funds. So invest, example for debt mutual funds. So HDFC Corporate Bond Fund, which invest high amount of investment in corporate bonds, but you will get good returns, stable returns over the period. Less risk. So you can invest according to your financial setup or goal. Always research and choose best mutual fund before invest. Take your financial advisor sessions as well. I hope you all found this video is useful. Not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe my channel and like, share, comment and click on notification bell so that you will get all videos immediately without any further delay, and you will get the notification as well. Please support me so that your encouragement always gives me a lot to upload many more videos. Thank you so much once again. See you soon in the next video. Jai Hind.